Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG with Gyro. First, open your game and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Controls section and then find Advanced Controls. Here, you will see the Gyroscope option. You can choose between Scope On or Always On. Scope On activates Gyro only when aiming down sights, while Always On uses it constantly for movement and aiming. Select the option that best suits your initial comfort level. Next, let's fine-tune your sensitivity. Go to the Sensitivity tab in Settings. You'll find separate sliders for gyroscope sensitivity for various scopes, like 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Start with a moderate setting, perhaps around 150 to 200% for general sensitivity, and adjust scope-specific values from there. Practice in the training grounds to feel the difference, and find your sweet spot for precise aiming and tracking targets effectively. Now, let's explore advanced techniques. Gyroscope is incredibly powerful for recoil control, especially during long-range sprays. Use subtle wrist movements to counteract vertical and horizontal recoil, keeping your crosshair steady. You can also perform quick flicks to acquire new targets rapidly. Many players combine thumb aiming for large movements with gyro for micro adjustments, creating a highly effective hybrid control scheme. Experiment to see what feels most natural for your playstyle. To truly master gyroscope, consistent practice is key. Begin with lower sensitivity settings and gradually increase them as your muscle memory develops. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily in the training arena. Consider customizing your button layout to ensure your fingers don't obstruct your screen while using gyro. Watching professional players who utilize gyroscope can also provide valuable insights and inspire new techniques. With dedication, you'll significantly enhance your aiming precision and overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.